Hey everybody, welcome to a very unexpected trip to Hawaii. I am once again back in the Hawaiian Islands. Now this was a really unscheduled trip. I'm actually out here for work. Now this week I brought my dad, but unfortunately because the working hours are so long, we're not really going to get a whole lot of time to explore the island. So I did get some time with my dad walking around Waikiki with him, and then also we got to attend a luau. So I only found out about this time last week that I needed to come out to Hawaii for work. I know, I dealt with it, I did. But anyhow, this episode is about how much money I made in stock photography this past month. And as always, I like to start things off with showing you guys the images that have sold for the first time ever. So what about my best-selling images from this past month? Here they are. And here are my top video sales. My best-selling video of the month was on Getty Images for $4.62. Ironically, this is from my last trip to Hawaii. This is an image of my drone flying over the beach heading for Coco Head Crater. So how did I do this past month? Well, here's the numbers from each of my stock agencies and how it stacked up to previous years. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because this is what's happening in the next episode. We're going to head out on the beautiful coastline of Whidbey Island, and I'm going to show you how to take handheld panoramas. And of course, please don't forget to consider opening your hearts and home to a shelter animal need or donating to your local animal shelter. I am going to go walk down the beach for a little while. You all have a great evening, and remember, never stop exploring.